убедился, что Стрельцов холодный, занесенный снегом, и стал отползать. Встал на колени, потом покачался, напрягся и встал на ноги. Зажал грудь обеими руками. Прошел немного, свалился и опять пополз к полотну, никогда не теряя из виду желтый огонь.
Кроме того, власти уже приняли решение о том, что число туристов в экскурсионной группе в других районах исторического центра Амстердама не должно теперь превышать 15 человек. Житель США простоял в планке 38 минут и попал в книгу рекордов Гиннесса.
Чё, сука, блядь? Пидорас, блядь, ебаный нахуй.
Здрасте. Ну да. Хорошо. Ага.
Пиздец, блядь!
С горьким чувством вины вот твой дом.
So her shoulder was bared. The bullet passed cleanly through. Shallow, Good. We'll not have to operate. Sweet mirror tea will ease her pain. Also 2 tablets of Tylenol with codeine. Hook an IV to her good arm. Run in a liter of warmed LRS. What of the wound? The other woman asked.
Really?
We'll cut.
Holy shit! That sucks.
He opened his mouth to speak to Ball, but out of the corner of his eye, he caught a flash of movement. Alex lashed out with his blade, striking Harrow's huge tail as it snaked out to grab at Lorelei again. The tail jerked back, flinging blood everywhere as it withdrew.
The fuck?
But yeah, The Shining was half a documentary. Truly, it was like rough. She was never the same. So they took this image and basically started what it is now.
Is that guy behind me okay? Instant justice! Convenient cop! Yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yes! Oh, screw you! Left turn on a red light. Eat a dick! What the fuck? What the hell? That's gonna fall out. That's about to fall out. It's falling out. It just fell out.
Fodder to move up, even if it's incrementally, even if you jump 10 spots in the 3rd round, to get a guy that is on your board as a value for what you need. That's important to do. Absolutely.
Any problems?
Doug is now one of Lenny's most devoted volunteers. Lenny's got more than 100 people helping him out at any given time. But the burnout rate is high because the work is so intense. And hoaxers harass volunteers like Doug all the time for helping Lenny. When Lenny Googles Noah's name now,
door that's located beneath our unit. So needless to say, this month has been a little bit distracting, and I was completely ready to declare that November and I were no longer on speaking terms. And then I checked Kerouac's abdomen after dinner last week, and that rock-hard, fist-sized tumor that he had there.
Ice cold new orange vanilla Coke. It's new, it's orange, it's vanilla, and it's just as refreshing as every sip of Coca-Cola should be. Pick up a 12-pack, 12-ounce cans at your nearest Kroger today. Introducing new orange vanilla Coke and orange vanilla Coke Zero Sugar. Yeah, you heard that right.
Today we have a very special guest flying into the station, Mary Poppins.
Wonderful.
Hey, was that, so that should be that?
Oh! Oh, shit, dude! Oh, shit, dude, you okay? Holy shit! Holy shit, you just hit someone! Holy shit, you need to stop. You just hit someone. I just got that live. Holy shit, you just hit someone, dude. You just hit someone. Holy shit. Holy shit. What is going on here? Yo, is she pulling off? Yo, it's a hit and run. Hey, we just saw a hit and run.
I got it.
Yo, we just saw a hit and run. What the fuck? Yo, what? Holy shit!
He didn't handle that
What
one too
the
graceful.
fuck?